about it at the end. Yeah, so I'll talk about this. So this is the poster of the brand W for Women, and this is an Indian brand which celebrates the women in our lives. So just a minute, mom. Yeah, so the this poster is digitally made and then printed, which is in the universal language, and it is very minimalistic and typographically also, and as well as illustrative. And the elements are also well composed. So the poster is made online through various applications available. And this poster was placed on the wooden stand outside the store as well as stuck on the entrance door. So the information this poster provides is very brief and clear regarding the safety measures to be taken in the times of COVID by the customers. So all the information here is centrally aligned along with the brand logo. The poster first informs about the brand safety and then informs about the steps to be followed by the customers, and the amount of information the poster gives is very adequate. So the typography is the font style is sans serif, and the typeface used in the heading as well as the body text is touch bold. The heading is in the bold while the body text is in the regular font. The typographic element is central across the poster. Also, being the sans serif font, it is easy. It has easy readability in different sizes, including small caption text and large headers. So, talking about the theme, the poster has followed the color theme of the brand from its logo. The consistency of the color theme is found in all the posters across the stores. So, the given image shows the placement of the poster in the environment of the brand, and it shows how the theme is followed. Talking about the
Sorry,
illustration.
just a minute. Sorry to disturb you. So
Yes.
I want to make an announcement. Nandini, is it okay? Those groups who are done, they can log
Yes,
off and
yes.
continue to work and rejoin at 4 p.m.
Yes, yes, it's perfect.
Okay, so all the students who have made a presentation, they can log off, they can continue working on their as per your feedback, and they can rejoin at 4 p.m. Of course, the advisory group should stay here even if you have made a presentation. Once the entire group has made the presentation, you can log off. Okay, you can continue.
And which
Yes,
is
sir.
the next group after the advisory? So they should join in after half an hour.
Sure. So who will be the next group?
Should we do Bollywood Reimagined, or is there any other group wants to present today?
Ma'am, we would
Which
like
group
to
would
do,
like?
rebranding and promotional ads, logo
Okay,
rebranding.
fine. So we'll do you after these, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
and the Bollywood Reimagine can join at 3. Just
So
give
I-
thumbs up if they're clear. So Bollywood Reimagine, please join us at 3:15 maybe. And the logo Reimagined, you can join us in after like half an hour. And advisory group stay here, rest everyone can leave and you can join at 4. So everybody join at 4. Okay, sorry about that, you can continue.
Yes, sir. So talking about the illustrations, so here the illustrations are used are very simple, minimal, and easy to understand. The illustration style is the vector illustration technique, and the illustrations are colored red as per the W logo color scheme. The illustrations are placed inside the white circle to create contrast. So the elements used here are the circle as an element is used to place the illustrations inside. There are 7 circles and are placed centrally in the poster. Another element is dotted lines, which is used to divide the information in the poster. So talking about the eye movement, and so the eye movement first goes to the heading and the logo, which then travels to the instructions from left to right, and lastly to the bolder font at the bottom of the poster. So colors used here are red and white, which are contrasting colors and is also followed by the brand theme. The usage of red color creates an energizing effect, a powerful presence, and also acts as an attention grabber. So white color is used to highlight the illustrations in the circle as well as in text for creating contrast and readability. The composition of the poster is vertical and also central as the movement of the information goes from top to bottom. The layout here is the central alignment and has is followed throughout the poster. The poster is divided into four parts, where the topmost part contains the heading and the logo. Below it is the information about the safety, then the instructions, and last the conclusive text. All this is divided by the element which is dotted line to separate the information and make it understandable. Yeah, so this was one analysis I did. Should I do second one also, or
One more.
okay? So I'll talk about this brand. So this is the
This
poster
is
from.
wait. This is very similar to the W one, na? To take something else.
Okay, should I go for this or?
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, so this is the poster from the brand Forever 21. And it is an American fast fashion retailer brand which has grown in clothing lines for men's and women both. So the context is this color poster is made digitally and then printed. It is in universal language. The information is minimal and layout is also well composed. The poster is made by the graphic designer commissioned by the brand itself. Also, this poster was placed inside the store behind the glass so that it is visible to the customer. Talking about the typography, so the font style used here is sans serif and the typeface used in the heading as well as body text is Din Next Devanagari Standard Heavy. So the heading and the safety instructions are in bold while the body text is light. Also, being sans serif fonts is easy readability in different sizes. The leading and kerning is increased in the typography all over the poster for the better readability. So the information the poster provides is about the customer safety, which is their priority, and the safety rules to be followed by the customers in the store. The amount of information is also adequate in this poster also. So the theme of the poster is the brand has followed very simple and minimal theme. The colors used are light blue, white, and black. The usage of light colors give very light feel to the poster and is pleasing to customers. So talking about the illustrations, so the illustrations used here are vector illustrations and with the white feel inside and the black bold outline, which is very interactive and easily recognizable. So elements used here are rectangles as an element to place the instructions and steps to be followed. The rectangles are placed in the 3x2 rectangular grid. So, talking about the color used here is are light blue, white, and black. The usage of light colors such as blue and white, and the contrasting black colors give the poster very subtle look. Light blue is calming and peaceful color that represents intelligence and responsibility. White is the color of purity and safety, while black color is associated with the power and strength. So composition of the poster is vertical in here also, as all the elements are placed in the vertical format, one after the other. So eye movement is first eye goes to the bigger and bolder font, safety first, which then moves to the illustrated instructions from left to right, and then to the lighter text on the top, and lastly to the lighter text at the bottom. The layout followed here is central alignment for each composition except of the bolder font, the safety first, and the text below it, which is left aligned. The layout is divided into three parts, which includes top and bottom band for the guidelines, and central band, which is further divided into the grid of 3x2 rectangles for the safety instructions. The focus area of the poster is the bolder typography on the top of the left corner. Yes, sir.
Is
So
the
see, I feel
if one sec. Yeah, sorry, Lokesh, go ahead. Then I'll.
what I feel, one, there is a problem with the layout of your group. Go to the second
Yes, sir.
page. See, your drawing is the one which you should focus on.
Yes, sir, I
So जो
got
आपने
it.
thumbnail की
Yeah.
तरह बनाया ना, celebrate that, make it big.
Okay, sir.
That's one immediate thing which I feel you need to do as a group. The others,
Okay, sir.
this is an advisory for what?
For the high-end clothing stores.
Okay. What another possibility which I leave it open to you, that
Yes,
you
sir.
can compare two posters.
Okay, sir.
So what will happen is, what you are not thinking, you must start thinking when you compare two posters.
Okay,
And
sir.
the
So
other
can
thing
we
is also,
compare?
if you are
Yeah.
saying again and again, okay, this is an universal image. So can you find the source of that universal image?
Sir,
Remember the
universal
chart group.
language, I guess.
Okay, तो उसका कुछ
The
source होगा,
English
where
language.
from where it is being borrowed. So find out where has it originated. Like the chart group last year had found out the source. So find out the origin source of that image.
Okay, sir.
Is this?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
There's one more thing in this poster. The F seems to be deliberately cut, and you can say that because
Yes, ma'am.
Gestalt law of closure, you can read it. But there's also a confusion because it reads like, it seems very similar to the T. I mean, unless you look
Yes.
closely. So whether it is you could be a little critical about that, whether it's a good design decision or not, and how does this design decision add to the content and the communication. The other,
Yes, ma'am.
all this, maybe you can compare all the kind of clip art used in it. These vector simplification of objects that are used, and what I feel is that the one where the two figures they've shown safe distance, that suddenly seems to be a slightly different style than the rest, except that they've put in wide by adding the 6 feet in the center. So maybe these, you
Yes.
look at it in more detail and compare it, and that's why what Lokesh said is that comparing two posters, comparing how the messages are very lot of the messages overlap in most of the posters, right? So
Yes.
find out which of these is the most communicative, which of these where is the similar icon used, where something different is used, how do the icons hold as a whole, whether there's a unity in the style. Look at all these aspects.
Yes, ma'am.
You will have to probe into these finer things in smaller detail, greater detail.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I had thought about that safety which is cut from the top, but I forgot to write about it. I don't know why.
So important
Yeah.
observation.
Yeah, because the post the it was on the stand, so it was. I think so because of the size it was cut from the top.
Probably.
Yeah.
And this is the format of your final document.
Yes, we decided on
No,
this layout.
you need to change it. You can't have in between an page image cutting.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because if you print it and in between a entire book there's a image cutting centrally, that won't be good idea,
Yes.
even
you have
from
to remake the
logistic
layout
point of view.
completely.
Okay, sir. So
Please
can this?
work on a layout where your drawings are highlighted and celebrated when you are analyzing them. Don't keep them as thumbnails.
Okay,
When
sir.
the main image is repeating, let that be a thumbnail.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and see right now, if you look at the layout, where is my eye going first is on this thick line, which I find very annoying. ये जो आपने बहुत thick line रखी हुई ना horizontal,
Yes, sir.
after looking at that again and again, I'm tired. It's very annoying from visual readability point of view. So please work on a different layout.
Yes, sir. Sure.
A finer line will also help you, and you can also do all this on your eye movement and everything on your drawing or on your line sketch.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. So should I stop sharing?
Yeah, okay. So you know what you have to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next person in the group?
Ma'am, this is group 5, the cartoon and illustration group. We haven't presented yet. So when should we join to present?
See, yours will be tomorrow morning first. We won't be able to do it today. So you guys can continue working on your document. You all can log off and rejoin at 4 p.m. now.
Okay, sir.
Also,
yours will
do
be
some
first
of the
tomorrow.
Basic
Okay.
things that you need to change. So do your introductions, do your conclusions, start working on all that. So tomorrow you can show it to us with all that, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think the plight of migrants and the cartoon and illustration, I don't think we'll be able to cover it. We would be finishing about 6 today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank
let's
you.
move to the next student.
Yes, sir, I'll share. Hello.
Yes.
So my topic was the private store at the high end.
Can you make it full screen or zoom in a little, please? Okay, go ahead.
So my topic is the private store at high end, which is food stores. So these are some images. This is from the Costa Brewed Cafe, which is at Sindhu Bhavan Road. This is from Subway. This is a cafe named Go Frankie. This is McDonald's to elaborate this. So this is the poster for McDonald's brand, which is the American fast food company. This these poster is designed digitally and then printed on a round pillar outside the McDonald's. Typography here used is a sans serif font, and they have used a common typeface in every text. This poster gives information about the safety which should be followed by the customers and even McDonald's staff. And they have also followed theme of using red and yellow, which yellow stands for happiness and the red stands for the hunger, to create hunger. In the illustration, they have used a 2D flat colored illustration, which is in a circle, and these red lines is the eye movement of this poster, and this is the color palette. The mainly color used is the gray, which is in the background, in the red and yellow. So this poster is centrally aligned, and the eye movement first go to and the eyes first go to McDonald's logos and then safety and the 6 visuals horizontally. And this is for tomatoes and mirch masala. In this, they have used three type of typeface like COVID, and the caption of the image are in a different typeface. Be safe and tomatoes are in different typeface, and mirch masala is in different typeface. For the illustration, they have used also three types of illustration. Like in horizontal bar, first two rectangle, they have used a black 2D filled illustration. In the last bottom corner, they have used a line composition, and the mask one is a little bit 2D type of 3D type of composition. And they have framed it with a rounded corner rectangle. They have also used their black and red color, which is exist in their logo. This is the
One minute onto that. Now you can see that how this safe distance, most of them use these two human figures, but some make the 6 feet seem so small. It seems like, the feeling of space is not there between the two figures. So it depends on the space. Sometimes the meaning is miscommunicated. Also, they've used a red outline for the first two squares inside the rounded corner rectangles, and they've used a black outline. So
yes, ma'am, I mentioned that.
You have to find out, is there a logic for it, or it's just done arbitrarily?
Maybe it could be to give first attention to the first two rectangle frame.
Okay, that's a point. So
But I was
mention
not
that
sure.
also. Yeah,
Yes, ma'am, I mentioned in the text.
So mention all that also. You
Okay,
mentioned
okay.
that red and black, but why it is there is what now you need to probe. Not what you can see, but why what you see is there, or whether it makes sense or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Go beyond documenting. Go beyond try and analyze or go under the skin of all the elements that are used.
Yes, ma'am. This is the one I painted. Right side and the
Okay.
left side is a line drawing. I still have to do analysis of this and this also.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
Can you go to your color palette? How are you describing colors?
Yes, sir. Can you see, sir?
What have you written about colors? Like I can see the color swatch, that's fine.
Which color are mainly used here? I have written that.
See again, don't just document what colors are used there. Write down what are they signifying. Write down your analysis why they are there. So you have to go beyond documenting. You have to understand the meaning behind it. For example, one of your findings, which you already said, is that the colors from the logo are used. However, if we look at the tomatoes one, the green is not used, only the red is used. So that's not picked.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
And what you could also do is, if you are imaginative and if you wish to, you can see if green was used, what would have happened. And you can even place that. So see, there's no rule ke aisa hi karna hai. It's up to you if you feel like as a creative person that you would like to try green and see what happens, if it works or not. तो आप
Yes,
बना
sir.
सकते हैं उसके बगल में और रख सकते हैं. See, because I feel there's not, honestly, there's not much in your analysis which is there. You have done a good job, but I would like you to push the bar a little more.
In this image, you can also talk of how most of it is in black and white, but the please sanitize your hand has a little red hand and the mask has blue, and how because it's like diagonally opposite, the color masses create some kind of balance. Otherwise just you would start looking only at that red hand, which anyway you notice first. That's the first instruction you notice. So this is also something you need to point out because of the red. So again, where the red is used, besides being the house colors or the logo colors, is it in some way giving emphasis to what should be read, or it's done arbitrarily? These are also what should be read first. I mean, the messages that should be seen first, is it used there or is it just used anywhere?
Yes, sir. Can I stop sharing?
Yes. Yes, you can. Who's sharing next?
Ma'am, I am. Just a second, I have to switch from my Wi-Fi to network because the Wi-Fi is down for a second. So we have seen this in class, so I would like to go to the one we haven't. So this one is that the context is that this was outside a sweet shop in Gujarat. It can be clearly seen that this is the first thing that a person sees when they get in shop, as it is pasted at a door at an eye level. It is of a scheduled commercial bank, which is a small scale and local bank in Gujarat. The bank website is given at lower point size if one is interested, and which is hardly visible. The pictographs are highlighted by giving central gradation to give it more importance. The typography is important text is in sans serif bold, Futura typeface, and in all caps, which make it easier to read, and also I'm sorry, I'm just hearing myself again. The echo is coming. So
Your voice is coming, but it's breaking. If you can be a bit loud.
yeah, now
Yes, it's better.
Very good now.
because in my ear, my own voice is echoing again and again. So also make the statement bolder. No mask has a higher point size than that of no entry. The statement is bold and clear in nature, showing that they follow the COVID protocol strictly. The eyes first went into illustration as it is in the center. layout is quite simple and bold. Central alignment gives the poster a dominative and authoritative nature. The size of the poster is 1 by root 2, as most of the A4 sheets are, making the printing easier and cost effective. No entry is written in red. Also, the image, a cross mark is given, used to showcase that people without mask are not allowed. Both the elements have the same tone value of a stop sign. The company is getting huge attention due to the minimal composition and placement, and also because it is placed at a eye level. So this is it talks about layout again. So AU Small Business Bank logo has a purple logo which gives a sense of royalty. In ancient world, purple color was synthesized by killing thousands of snails, just enough to dye 1 meter to show how expensive it was at that duration, and the royalties were using it. Illustrations are minimalistic in nature with soft edge. It is clearly visible through the visual with the cross, and the just marks have soft edges. Also, the pictograph, without using much detail or outline of a nose, you can clearly see that nose is covered by the mask, and the proportion of the face of the end of the mask are accurate. The illustration style is similar to the pictograph of the road safety. Also, a verified sign is also used on Instagram to showcase to show that this person is authentic, and the denotation of this is that wearing mask verified a customer will not spread coronavirus. So this is the eye labeling. Eyes first went to the pictograph due to the scale, also the cross and tick sign. The illustration leads to the text, then our eyes go way up to the logo, lastly to the website of the company. And this is like a small, with a bold, just color composition I made. How they have used the stop sign as a cross that of a traffic light. So do you want me to show another one, or?
Can you go back to the previous page 1 minute, please?
And what is Netflix? I didn't understand here.
So actually, just an account on Instagram that I took a screenshot of to show that Instagram and other companies use this tick as a verified mask, as a verified symbol with the icon connection.
Here you
Like
said. Okay, sorry. Go ahead.
No, ma'am, go ahead, please.
No, complete what you're saying. I'm sorry.
Actually, I was trying to, I think it is a little bit far-fetched because how icons have the icons used here have meaning different than how on a social platform or how they are connected. Like how a tick mark is changing from platform to platform. So.
I think that is an interesting angle you could explore and see how much you can rationalize it. Okay. How platforms also change the acceptance or the presentation of the message or the reception of the message. The other thing you mentioned is pictograph are highlighted by giving central gradation. What do you mean by central gradation? The word gradation is what I'm asking you about.
So, central gradation of color.
There is
basically on Illustrator you have
color or a gradation. It's a flat color, isn't it?
No, ma'am. The poster you can see that there is a white spotlight.
Okay.
Over
okay.
here, and
Very
it is
visible to me, huh? Okay.
Yeah, so it's very soft.
Okay, so will you please just slightly color correct the images so all this what you're saying is also noticeable?
Okay, ma'am. I will do it. Do I need to show another one or?
No, that's fine.
Should I?
Okay. I think. But all of you, your group, as we've said before, need to look at layout. Look at how
yes,
you
ma'am.
can go deeper into whatever you've done. I like that you put the traffic light and also the pictograms in road safety signs.
I think a good effort overall. I liked her more than other group mates.
Yeah, she's made a lot more effort, and the word
Yeah.
use is also correct. Pictogram and
And color swatches के लिए again, like white was missing in the first image that you showed, which you spoke in detail. So add that in your swatch, and wherever possible, write the analysis of what kind of color story is this. Thank you so much. We can move to the next student.
Thank you, sir.
Sir Stuti, shall I present?
who's next? Stuti,
Yes, ma'am.
you can go.
So, ma'am, my topic is black and white printouts. I'll change my topic to quality of printout. So, I have discussed some of the posters before also. These are one of them. I also added some of the new information in it and changed it, like the signifier, signified, studium, phantom, and everything else. I'll discuss this poster in brief. So in this poster, the layout is quite simple and bold. By adding text on the logo and an illustration, it looks more eye-catching. By adding a black background to the logo, it also becomes bold and grabs attention. The context was it was outside the bakery itself, and by adding the logo, they are also doing their advertising. It was made by some of the computer shop and was printed. So the illustration of the mask is in black color and is by since it is a silhouette like of a black color, it is grabbing more attention and is clearly visible. In this poster, the signifier is to wear the mask. The signifier is with a positive message saying that for wearing a mask, the signifier is to is with a positive message saying that for wearing a mask with an illustration of a mask. The studium here is the mask is how the mask looks, and the phantom here is the politeness shown by the owner by saying thanks for wearing a mask instead of writing no mask no entry. This also shows that they are sympathetic towards their customers. By also adding the logo, they are doing the branding of their store. The typography here is written in sans serif font. There are 3 capital letters in the sentence and of the 4 words. There is a different typography in the logo and different in the content. The poster is done by them or a computer shop. This can be seen as the space between the three visuals is not equal, and there is a use of capital T, W, and M in thanks for wearing a mask.
Stuti,
Yes, ma'am.
there is no, it's not phantom, it's punctum. Your studium spelling is also incorrect. So look at both those. You should know clearly also the difference between studium and punctum. If not, talk to some of your classmates and clarify yourself. Okay?
Yes,
And is the mask, is it a photograph of a black and white mask, or is it a pictogram, a symbol?
ma'am, it is a pictogram. I think they might have got it from PNG or something like that.
Okay. Also, I want you to talk of how black and white in a signboard shows economy and in most of these, whereas otherwise black and white, when somebody uses black and white, it's a certain kind of sophistication, say black and white in photography or black and white in like certain prints. So compare that difference also.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, it also shows how they are reducing the cost, like they are putting it everywhere and they are saving the money at the same time.
Yes. So that and how black and white in other instances, when you use black and white, what it connotes. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how context also changes the meaning of black and white is something that maybe in your conclusion or wherever you would need to talk about.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, should I talk about one more or?
Is there any one that you would like to show where you're unsure or you're sure?
More complex.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I have showed a lot before only, and these are the hand drawings which I have done.
Okay. Okay.
Have you done color swatch?
Yes, sir.
Have you looked at positive and negative spacing?
Hello.
Yes. Have you looked at the
Sir.
positive and negative spacing? Have you looked at the grayscale as color swatch?
Yes, sir. Since these are all the black
Okay,
and white,
very good.
so
Very good. That's great.
okay, sir. Should I stop sharing?
Yeah, and you can
Yeah,
place
that's-
light between two colors so that you don't have to do an outline because suddenly that swatch looks larger, which is quite disturbing to the eye. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Who's next in the group?
Is everyone done?
Is everyone done?
Lipi, you are in which group?
Sir, I showed before Stuti.
Sorry. Yes.
So has everyone from your group presented Lipi?
Ma'am, we have the 5 of us have presented.
What about the other two?
Ma'am, about the Rishita, I don't know. She is not responding in the group also, and
So if she has not done adequate work, please let us know because then we don't want you to spoil your work by adding something that's not been done. Can you ask her to speak to us?
yes, ma'am, I'll ask her.
And who else is left?
Ma'am, I guess Kriti, and she also mentioned that she has bad network today.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So please give her the feedback we've given you so that
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
you
Sure.
also can implement it. So you can
Yes, ma'am.
even Lokesh, can we take a 5-minute break again and before
Yeah, even I need a break. So I have told the group to join at 2:35, the next group. So we can take a 5 minutes break.
Okay.
Ma'am, can this group leave?
Guys can leave, join at 4 again.
Okay.